Hi there and welcome to my review of the Oral-B replacement brush heads. These are the Floss Action ones. Once I've tried these, I've never gone back, so I do find that they seem to clean my teeth better because the little bits get in between your teeth. Now, as you can see, I have opened these and used most of them already. But there's obviously the 4 in the pack. And they each come singly packaged like this, so they're hygienic with a different colour band on, so you can put it underneath. So if you've perhaps got a similar toothbrush to somebody else, you can tell whose is whose from what colour band you've got around it. And as you can see there, these yellow bits, they look like they flop around a bit. But as the brush head is spinning, they get in between your teeth. That's why it's called Floss Action, because it kind of acts like flossing of your teeth. Now, I won't buy any of the other ones now. I really enjoy these. And I got these at a decent price on Amazon as always. So if you're looking for some replacement brush heads, I would definitely recommend these rather than the normal standard ones, as they do feel like they clean your teeth much better. So I hope you try them and I hope you enjoy them as much as I did. Thanks very much for watching.